Hello, friends. Today, learn about the different people you need in your Tamarind Candy manufacturing business. Understanding their roles will help you grow your business wisely. We will also discuss the hiring strategy, how to phase out the hiring process so that your costs remain under control and you achieve profitability faster. Let's start with the layout of the factory and machinery to see where exactly workers are required. First, machine operators operate specific machines such as deshelling machines, pulping machines, candy forming machines, etc. Second, mixing and cooking staff prepares sugar syrup, mix ingredients, and oversee cooking processes. Third, quality control technician conducts quality checks of raw materials and final products. Fourth, packaging and wrapping staff operates packaging machinery and handle manual packaging tasks. Fifth, maintenance technician maintains and repairs machinery, ensuring smooth operation. Sixth, sanitation staff cleans and sanitizes production areas and equipment. Seventh, production manager oversees production operations, manage staff, and ensure efficiency. Eighth, administrative staff handles administrative duties, paperwork, and customer communications. Ninth, sales and marketing personnel markets the product, manage sales, and handle customer relations. Now, let's see how to bring these people into your business over 3 years. In year 1, start with family. Use family help for machine operating, packaging, and office work. This saves money and helps you learn. In year 2, hire external staff. As you sell more, get outside people. Add 1 for machines, 1 for cooking, 1 for cleaning, and a manager. This helps you handle more work. In year 3, expand and specialize. When your business is bigger, hire for quality checks and machine maintenance. Also, add more people where you need them, like for machines, cooking, or cleaning. By understanding each role and adding people slowly, you can grow your business smartly and successfully. All the best on your business journey. To subscribe to Vyapari Coach channel in